Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Framed.io on Premiere Pro step by step. Launch Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Open the project you want to work on. In the top menu, click on Window. From the drop-down list, select Extensions. Next, choose Framed.io from the options available. If you're not signed in, a prompt will appear asking you to authenticate. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. A separate authentication window will open. Enter your Frame.io email and password in the provided fields. Click the Sign In button again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your device for the verification code. Enter the verification code in the specified field and hit Submit. Once authenticated, the Frame.io panel will populate with your projects and assets. Explore your projects by clicking on them to access media files. You can now upload, download, or comment directly from Premiere Pro. Drag and drop assets from Frame.io into your timeline as needed. To upload new media, click on the Upload button in the Frame.io panel. Select the files you wish to upload from your local storage. Confirm the upload and monitor the progress within the panel. You have successfully authenticated with Framed.io on Premiere Pro. Continue with your editing, utilizing all Frame.io features seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.